Hey, what's up guys, this is Cafe from Noise, and today I'm gonna show you how you can get the Google Assistant on your Android phone with Android 5.1.1 or 5.1, that is Android Lollipop. So now you can see that my phone has Android Lollipop 5.1.1 on it. So now going to the home screen and now holding the home button, you see that I have the OK Google right now. I don't have the Google Assistant. Now let's proceed to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you have to search for the Google app. So here we are in the Google app, and now I have it installed, and you have to remember that your Google app should be up to date. There should be no pending updates. And when we go below, we can see that I'm not a beta tester. I have not applied for the beta tester. So to enable the Google Assistant, you don't need to be the beta tester. I also don't have the Allo Messenger installed on my phone. You don't need the Allo Messenger on your phone to enable the Google Assistant. Now searching for the No Allo launcher on the Play Store. You guys have to install the No Allo launcher. I have the No Allo Prime launcher with me. If you want the No Allo Prime launcher, you can find it in the link in the description below, because the trial version of the No Allo launcher can have some problems. Now you have to download the Google Assistant Launcher APK from the link in the description below. I have it already downloaded on my phone, so I'll just install it. So here I download the Google Assistant Launcher on my phone. Now opening it, you will see that we are in the Google Assistant Launchers. Now going back to the home screen. Now hold the home screen, and there you will see the No Allo widgets. So go in widgets and you have to add an activity. So you have to hold this and keep it on the home screen. And now add an activity of the No Allo launcher. Now in your activities section, go below and find the Google settings. In there where you find Google, this is the Google drop down menu. Now go below and there you will find a setting which is with the name the agent directory.agent directory A in the end. So you have to select this one. Now after selecting this, your Google Assistant launcher is ready. So now open the Google Assistant launcher and now close it. Now hold the home button. Now you get an option, complete the action using the Google Assistant, and select it as always. Now you can see that you have enabled the Google Assistant on your Android phone with Android Lollipop. I have the 5.1.1. This will also work on other Lollipop versions. So this is a 100% working method guys, and this is the actual and the legal Google Assistant on your Android phone. You guys will have no problems using this Google Assistant. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helps, and do subscribe to our channel for more of these kind of videos. With that being said, this is Cafe from Noise signing out.